You know how that guy who walks around on TikTok, he be having a little microphone, he be asking questions like Rihanna or Beyonce or Taraji or Curry Washington. Yeah, so he asked a lot of women, if this was the 90s, which one would they prefer, Makai or Omar? Now, it depends on what era they was in, because they both had some moments in the 90s, but from this picture alone, I'm going to have to go with a hard Makai. Oh, God. Because, see, I remember Soul Food paid in full Makai. Oh, God. I'm blushing, and I'm not even gay. All right, y'all, I don't know what they trying to do here. This one was real tough for me when I saw this, when he was like Lorenz or Pop. Once again, it depends on what era they was in. Is it How Do You Want It? I get a round-ass Pop. Or is it Love Jones Lorenz? Because see, Love Jones Lorenz hit different. Oh my God, I remember Love Jones Lorenz. Why am I blushing? I'm not even gay. Ooh. Okay, now when it comes to LL or Shamar, I'm more round-the-way girl than I am Soul Train dancer. I'm sorry, like, the way Shamar was working his hips and smacking his lips, it wasn't too far from me. I'm gonna have to go with a man that licked the lips. Yes, LL, you know, doing it and doing it and doing it. Am I blushing again? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm not even gay. Oh my God. Okay. Battle of the light skin time. This is Boris Kodjoe against Michael Ealy. Once again, it depends on what eras y'all talking about. See, the eras really is what, you know, the cherry on top. Because we talking about the way we met Michael Ealy before we noticed he had green eyes when he was in barbershop, and we noticed he had like dark skin energy when he drank up Terry's apple juice. I don't mind a man in between jobs drinking up my last juice out my fridge. I just want to argue with him, you know what I'm saying? Especially one that'll choke you. Back then, Michael looked like he'd choke you. Now he look all, you know, hey baby, real jovial. Now, Boris Kodjoe has always been very jovial, very, you know, upstanding, law-abiding citizen. It's tough right here. It's tough right here, because it's like, whoa, Darren, why am I making a decision? I'm not even gay, but if I was, I would. He sighs. I just gotta look the other way, because like, I'm not blushing because I'm gay, if that's what you're thinking, but I had to peek at this one is very hard, because it's like the battle of the fox against the nut, and we all like a little chestnut roasting on an open fire. I mean, he's good for your wintertime, but Jamie in the 90s, good for your summertime. This nigga used to act up. This is Players Club booty call against the brothers, the best man. I can't choose because both of them just look good if I was gay. If I was gay. Okay, so this is the battle of the Tyler Perry leading man. Now we seen Michael Jai White in Why Did I Get Married, but we also seen him in Medea's family reunion. Now, a lot of y'all ain't forgave him for Medea's family reunion, you know, when he was beating up on that girl, but this is easy for me. I'm going with Blair. Blair with the good hair. Yes, bring that ass here. Blair, come and smack me against the free. If I was gay.